Hello, welcome again. It's episode something 13, maybe 13 of my BMW E91 electric conversion project. It's been a very battery heavy, well, it's pretty much only the battery that I've been working on lately, so let's have a look. This is how the modules are in the OEM pack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fuse there, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's one wire to the one on BMS, and that's the other wire to the BMS. So if I'm stacking them on top of each other, I have to cross over. So this BMS wire goes there, crosses over to the top ones, same for that side, and obviously the buses have got to cross there. The other option, I guess, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to the next one, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. But then that'd leave me, would that leave me? That'd leave me with the negative and positive. Yeah, that might work as well. So I've run out of welding wire, but yeah, so I'm just welding the rest of the frame to put the sheets on. Feels fairly sturdy. Yeah, I'll put some pictures up in a second, but I've just test fitted it to the bonnet and in the engine bay, and decided to climb in and just see how much space I've got. And then the bonnet clicked, and I was locked in. I had to message my wife to come and free me from the bonnet. Right, got all the top, back, sides and everything tacked on, and I'm going to be drilling a lot of holes for the rib nuts and things. Got one of these vents from Cinti somewhere on the back there, and also got the Renault disconnect. Not sure where this is going to go yet. Might fit in the middle just there. I'm not sure I'm going to have got the height clearance. I certainly haven't at the front, so may have to go in a little pod off to the side there, but we will see once I've got the holes in these drilled, rib nuts in. I can start cleaning the edges of these up as well, and mock up the battery inside before painting it. And working out, first off, work out how to mount it in the car. Yeah, the bottom panel's not welded on yet, I've not cut that. But that's today so far. Taking ages, but just drilling all the holes for the top. I think I'll drill the holes for the top, drill the holes for the two sides, and see if I can assemble it with those still tack welded on. See if I can get away without bolting those on as well. Just to save a load of drilling, rib nutting and bolts. We'll see. So the panels are off, the top, the sides, the top, and the holes drilled. I've not done these, I left them tacked on. See if I can assemble the battery with them in place, and if so I'll just weld them on. Save a load of screws and bolts and that. Yeah, seems sturdy enough, so just carrying on. So these are the original bus bars we've seen before, just mocking it up so they're not really connected, they just rest in there. Just for test fitting. Need to connect those two together. Probably not going to use the fuse, obviously it sticks outside of the box. Just wondering, obviously I've got two of these spare, so I could cut that down to go there, and that'd be the first layer done. Which is probably what I'll end up doing. that'll fit there. I guess it'll still, if I trim this 2 edges of this plastic down, that'll still work, I think. So this is the test assembly. And managed to get every module in. I had to make a little handle to drop this one in, obviously because of these edges. Slight problem. Due to a measuring error, the MS is a bit too tall. I don't know how that's happened. I'm trying to put the lid on. How that goes. It doesn't fit. I'm wondering if I can just sort of shape it around the BMS. It might work. So it's got like a bulge in it. That might work. We'll see. We'll see. Right, here we go. Alright, so I've got my little pod for the disconnect there. Still got to do the sides up and put them. It should. Oh, this thing's so stiff. But yeah, I'm going to take that off. But yeah, that's a little bulge for the disconnect. So, still some progress made. Got the side panels, top lid, which doesn't quite fit yet because of the BMS. Messed that up a little bit. What else we got? I'm going to weld the 2 end pieces on. They don't need to screw on, so that's fine. Still need to cut and weld on the bottom, and then work out how we're going to mount it in the car. Oh, I've also got the disconnect, as you saw there, in the little side pod thing. So I'll probably have the output around the back of that, so the high voltage can come out of that to a junction box and to the charger and all that various things. But anyway, so still got more work to do on the battery, but thanks for watching. See you next time.